Everybody, it's King Camry. We out here today. I'm not doing nothing to my car. It's actually big boy Yoshi. I don't know if you guys remember him. We're actually installing some S Factor fabrication side skirts. They were actually originally on Paul's car, Xse, and we've already just done install them, and now we're about to install them onto his car. It's just a really just kickback day of some Camry enthusiasts. Let me show you Yoshi.
I just ran over a screw. I just realized that. It's gonna drop. Hey. Yes, sir.
Got the S Factor fabrication, splitter, and side skirts going to my boy Yoshi. We got big boy Xse. You guys already know him. He's actually selling them at a bargain price. Lucky him. And so no more side skirts, Paul. What's next?
Who's gonna screw it? You?
No, Yoshi is.
God.
Today
damn,
today I'm not the guy that's working on. Today I'm the guy that's gonna.
Is it gonna fit?
It's not gonna fit, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
How you know it's not?
It's not, or it is?
It's not gonna fit.
How you know?
Because I'm just kidding.
Oh, so it will fit.
Okay, let's go.
Well, it's pretty. It's past over here about an inch.
Yeah. That is because we're gonna. Because he told me to remove the mud flaps.
Oh.
Yeah.
So your experience with these, like, would you say it's worth it, bro?
What?
Would you say these are worth it?
Yeah, it is.
S Factor
Yeah.
fabrication
Because
side
see,
skirts?
it's gonna support you from scratches like that.
Okay.
Imagine if you don't have this.
Yeah. But you just gotta pay the premium price.
No. That's my choice.
No, I know, but you gotta pay the premium price. I mean.
But it's worth it instead of like buying another.
So for like average, like you don't have to say how much it was, like, but how much like does these go for? Like,
I think no 300.
300.
Both of them.
So 3 to 700.
No 300 for just
both?
this side. Yeah, for both.
Then shooting including shipping.
No, shipping is like 75.
So like almost like 400.
Yeah, but including splitters and lip, and then side skirt, I paid 875.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, including shipping because that's a big box.
Today's my boy's birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Alright, so let's do it.
Let's do it, brother. Want me to crack it? Oh shit. Right there?
Yeah, go up. Oh my god. We got the side skirts installed. Yoshi's happy. And then
Just gotta do the front splitter.
S Factor fabrication side skirts. You can install it with like 2 people, but I mean, you guys saw me. I installed one by myself. You just gotta use your leg. But I mean, if you want to have an easy ride, use 2 people. If you want to have help, you can always use the help. Alright, bro, drive safe. Take it easy, man.
Will do, man. See you guys next time.
Now what we got going on with Paul, man? And for Paul, we have a Lasfit install. This one should be really easy. If you guys are not familiar with who they are actually aftermarket quality mats. So you can replace your OEM Camry mats. I have not bought these yet because OEMs are doing all right. But Lasfit is a very, very good, reputable company. These are not mine, these are Paul's. Lucky him. But if Lasfit wants to send me a pair, yo, hit me up, King Camry.
This one's going to
The back.
This one's for the back.
Yes, sir. And this is for the middle piece, the middle, the center. You know, if you have kids that like to rub their feet on the middle and destroy that carpet that you get, this is definitely something useful to get because OEM does not include this. That's definitely worth it. And here we have, I believe this is passenger user manual. Not bad. And there's that centerpiece that does a really great job. It looks great. Damn. Protected, man. Especially if you have kids. It will definitely protect your carpet. Keep everything very nice protected. The install, this is probably the easiest install of my life. And I'm not even doing anything.
Yeah.
OEM, bro. Look at that. RIP OEM. What are you gonna do with those?
Just keep it.
Keep it?
Put it in the storage, I guess.
Yeah. Anybody want some rubber OEM rubber mats? Hit my boy Paul. Send him a good offer.
Are they gonna buy those?
Dude, you can actually sell these. I've seen people sell these. I think Toyota sells the whole thing for like 200 or 150, front and back. And used, I think used goes for like 100 at most. 120. That, dude, this is easy. Easy install.
Easy, super easy.
Hold on, let me go on that side. And it's easy because it fits like a sock. Damn, these are nice. It's too bad I can't get them right now, cause I said it's too bad I can't get them right now because we got other plans. But if I ever were to pick up some mats, these Lasfit would actually be in my top 3 because Paul just installed these in like at least less than like 5 minutes. Very great. It's been your boy King Camry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video we have going on. Nothing crazy, nothing wild, just 3 guys that own Camrys and just like to work on our cars ourselves and not really pay anybody to do anything. It is what it is, It's my boy Paul. It's his birthday today. Wish your boy happy birthday. You can follow him on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, King Camry. More things to come with the channel, so make sure you guys subscribe. You guys been doing a great job on showing support, commenting, liking, viewing. You guys are awesome. You guys are very active, and I appreciate all of you guys without a doubt. We got like I said, we got crazy things going on for the channel, and today was a pretty easy day, you could say. You guys got to see these Lasfit mats installed. You guys got to see the S Factor side skirts from Paul that he actually sold to Yoshi, and you guys saw how the install was. Not that bad. And with the S Factor side skirts, you guys heard what Paul said, is definitely worth it because it does add protection. The install, I mean, I did it myself by myself, and it was really easy. Not that hard. So if you guys are interested, I'm not sponsored. We're not sponsored at all. But if you guys are interested, hit them up, Instagram. I'll be sure to link it down below because your boy shows love and shows support to all these brands, all these companies that actually have quality in their products, not just trash and just things that, you know, will actually give you a hard time in installation, or, you know, just things that make your car and the experience awful for you. So I've actually been holding back from a couple videos of these parts that I've actually gotten for my Camry and installed, and I've kind of held back on showing that to you guys because I feel like it's not fair. I don't want to represent a brand that doesn't fulfill the requirements of showing quality in their product. So I've held back from those videos, and they've been completed videos. And, you know, right now with what we did right now just shows you that these things are actually very good quality. Hit them up. And, you know, that's all I gotta say, yo. It's been your boy King Camry. Stay safe. Peace.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.